load the Wave StudioRack plugin, click the Load button, open the preset file, and go to your desktop where you drag the file that you downloaded on. Unzip the downloaded file and leave it on your desktop. Then go back to your session. Then select one of the Wave Vocal Salvation presets. Click the Open button to load. And there you go. Tweak if necessary. Wave Vocal Salvation preset. Enjoy. Let's do it one more time to make sure you get it.